chocolate mug cake, and it'll be superb. And let's check out what's the ingredients. For mug cake, I'm going to take this mug, self-raising flour, baking powder, cooking soda, condensed milk, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, melted butter, condensed milk, and chocolate chips. And for the measurements, you can look on the screen. And now let's start. I've added all the dry ingredients. It is baking soda, baking powder, a self-raising flour, and cocoa powder. And mix it well. This is how it looks after mixing. And now we can add all the wet ingredients. I've added all the wet ingredients, and this is the last thing. Guess what? Chocolate chips. Got it. And you can put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And this is how it looks after mixing everything. Now I'll add my favorite ingredients, chocolate chips, and we can put it in. And it's ready to go in the microwave. It's ready to put in the microwave, and I can't wait. So I'll just put it in. Friends, now it's ready, and with the help of toothpick, you can insert it. And now it's all dry. If it's dry, it means it's ready. And it's dry. And it's ready. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching this video. And I can't wait to eat it. Bye. See you next time.